In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create basketball jersey design in Canva. First, head over to canva.com if you already have an account, log in if not, sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're in, click on Create a Design at the top right, then use the search bar to type basketball jersey. This pulls up the correct canvas for apparel, so your layout and proportions feel right from the start. You'll now see a variety of ready-made options. Scroll through the templates below and pick one that matches your team style: minimal, bold, retro, or modern. Click the template you like to open it. Remember, every part of a template in Canva is editable, so you're not locked into any colors, fonts, or placements. Next, let's work on the text. Open the Text tab and add a heading for your team name. Then add subheadings for the player name and jersey number. You can modify any text by selecting it. Change the wording, size, spacing, and alignment until it fits your design. For that classic court-ready look, choose bold, athletic fonts from Canva's library. Strong typefaces with clean edges tend to print well and remain legible from a distance. If you have a team logo, upload it using the Uploads panel and drag it onto the design. Place it in the chest area or wherever your team usually displays branding. Use the position tools to center it and keep consistent margins for a clean, professional layout. Now customize your colors. Click on any element or text and use the color picker to set your team colors. Aim for high contrast between text and background so names and numbers pop. If your palette includes dark tones, consider light text. If your jersey is light, go with darker text and numbering. Take a moment to refine and personalize. Adjust sizes to balance the composition, rotate elements slightly for action, and move items forward or backward in layers so nothing competes visually. Use alignment guides to keep everything straight, and step back occasionally to check the overall harmony of shapes, spacing, and hierarchy. When your design looks just right, it's time to export. Click Share or Download, choose PNG for a crisp, high-resolution file, and, if available on your plan, turn on transparent background so your design can be applied cleanly to the actual jersey fabric without a box around it. That's it, your basketball jersey design is ready to go. Thanks for watching.